Assalamualaikum everyone. As student, how many of you think there is no systematic way in order to gain examination information? Exactly. There is no even a platform in order to gain that information. So I had created a web-based system that allows students, invigilator, exam department, includes the academic affair division to manage their information and to distribute to each of the user. So without further ado, let me show how my system works. First user, which is student. Student doesn't need to register as their information already provided by the examination department. They need to sign in with their student ID and student IC. So once signed in, this will be the interface for the user, which is student. Student can view their profile here, and then they can view the examination schedule, the current examination schedule. So as you can see now, it is empty because they had not registered any of them. So in order to register, they need to view the overall exam schedule and find their course code. And once they found their course code, they need to add which subject they taken on the semester. So just add any of the code that they taken during the semester, and they are not allowed to add the same code as we will fill. So right now they can see their current examination schedule. They provide all the information, and student can delete it if they had mistaken to add their subject. So once it is done, they can view their slip. This examination slip will be required when they are entering the examination session. So right here, can easily save it with the generate PDF button and then save. Once saved, it will be located in your downloaded file. So once every process had done, student can provide their feedback to the system. They can comment the system and also provide an error if there are problem with the system, and simply submit the feedback. So next, for invigilator accept a student, they need to sign in with their ID and IC, and this will be the interface for the invigilator. They can view their current examination schedule that are assigned by the examination department, and also view the overall exam schedule. Okay. Next up, they can change their schedule by using this platform, which is just select the replacement name and provide the reason for the changes and just submit it. And then they can view the changing status. If they can delete if they change their mind to not to change. And then this new platform where invigilator can scan the student barcode ID, metric ID, which allows student no longer need to fill the attendance form for the examination session. So next, invigilator can create report based on the current examination session, which is they can create the case or the monitoring report and then view the report in the system. And also they can provide the feedback for the system if there are any error or problem regarding to the system. So for the third user, which is admin or exam department, they need to register by using the ID and password that are given by the developer of the system. Once they are signed in, this will be the interface for admin. There are shortcuts for the most important information in the examination database. By clicking this step include the total number of records that are available in the system. They can easily click and view all the important information directly. And then for the main function of admin are allowed to register new examination for the whole semester. So once registered, admin can view or edit or delete the examination if they want to do so. After that, they can go to the second function, which is assign invigilator. Here, admin must choose the name of the invigilator and also assign the role for them. After that, after assign and giving role, they can view the assigned invigilator in the interface, so they can see which invigilator are on duty for the current examination session. So for the third function, which is you can easily view the attendance that are registered by invigilator for student. They can delete it if they want to do so. And also for the fourth function, you can view the changing status. They are provided by the invigilator, and click the more detail to view the full information of the changing status. And after that, you can view the report that are created by invigilator for the examination session, whether it is a case report or the monitoring report. And also, next is the register new semester. Admin must register the new semester for the current semester of the examination session, such as for 1 year there are 2 semester. So admin must register the data by using the system. So once registered, they can easily update the existing semester, which is can delete and edit. And also, they must active one of the semester for one session. So after that, this will be all the setting for the admin, which is student, invigilator, faculty, and others, as you can see here. So after that, admin can view the feedback that are provided by invigilator and also student to track the problem and to know the function of the system, whether it is good or not. And then they can view the chart of the whole data that are available in the system. So let's talk for the fourth user, which is top management or T-rank. Top management must only in UiTM, but also others private educational institutions. That's all from me. Thank you.